Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, friends. Assalamu alaikum, and hope everything is going well. Dear friends, today our topic is about grades of concrete. Grades of concrete is the designation of concrete according to its compressive strength. M20 stands for M is equal to mix, which is equal to concrete with designated proportion of cement, sand and aggregate. 20 is the number which is equal to compressive strength of that concrete mix in Newton per millimeter square. After 28 days, that is 20 MPa. Now friends, we have categories of different grades of concrete. We start from normal grade of concrete. M5 mix ratio is equal to 1:5:10. Compressive strength 5 MPa and 725 PSI, rarely used for non-structural purposes. M7.5 mix ratio 1:8. Compressive strength 7.5 MPa and in PSI 1087, rarely used for non-structural purposes. M10 grade mix ratio is 1:3:6. Compressive strength in MPa is 10 and 1450 is in PSI, and it's used for pressure slab, pathways and non-structural work, domestic and in commercial use also. M15 grade 1:2:4 ratio, and compressive strength in MPa is 15 and compressive strength in PSI is 2175, used for pavement curbs and floor blinding. Type domestic and commercial both. M20 grade of concrete mix ratio is 1:1.5:3. Compressive strength 20 MPa and 2900 PSI, used for domestic floors and foundations for lighter weight. It is also suitable for workshop bases, garage, driveways and internal floor slabs. Type domestic. Friends, now we are moving toward standard grade of concrete. M25 mix ratio 1:1:2, 25 MPa. Compressive strength in megapascal and 3625 PSI, used for construction in all areas. It's multi-purpose concrete mix and usually used for foundation. Type domestic and commercial both. M30 1:0.75:1.5, 30 MPa. Compressive strength in megapascal and 4350 PSI, used for pathways and roadways, more durable than the grade that have come before. This is much more weather resistant and can take heavy road traffic. Type commercial. M35 mix ratio 1:0.5:1, compressive strength 35 MPa and 5075 PSI, used for commercial structures. This heavy concrete mix is usually used for creating external walls and slabs, as well as for structural piling. Type commercial. M40 grade 1:0.25:0.5, compressive strength in MPa is 40 and 5800 in PSI, used for commercial construction sites, creating foundations and beams for structural support and roads. The most durable in this list, M40 can withstand chemical corrosion also, so it is frequently used on farms where slurry could corrode structures or in septic tanks. Type commercial. M45 grade mix ratio according to mix design. Compressive strength in MPa is 45 and 6525 in PSI, and its use is as per requirement of higher strength concrete structure. High strength grade of concrete. M50 mix ratio according to design. Compressive strength in MPa is 50 and 7250 in PSI, and its use according to where the higher strength concrete structure is required. M55 mix ratio is according to mix design. Compressive strength 55 MPa and in PSI 7975 PSI, and it's also used for higher strength concrete structure where it is required. M60 mix ratio according to mix design 60 MPa, 8700 PSI and same use. M65 mix ratio according to mix design, compressive strength 65 MPa 9425 psi. It is used in higher strength concrete structure. M70 mix ratio according to mix design. Compressive strength 70 MPa and 1150 psi, and its used is where the higher strength concrete structure is required. Now friends, I am discussing about the amount of water needed for mixing of concrete. Let's start from water content ratio. Water content ratio is a ratio of the weight of water to the weight of cement. It changes based on the desired workability. So quantity of water needed per 50 kg bag of cement in liters. Grade M5, water required 60 liters. Grade M7.5, water required 45 liters. Grade M10, water required 34 liters. Grade M15, water required 32 liters. And finally grade M20, water required 30 liters. So friend, this is what we have discussed today. Let's meet again with different topic. If you like the content, so please subscribe this channel and press bell icon so that you can get the notifications of every new video on time. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.